It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek, and I'm here at the AYCE Buffet at the Palms. Now the AYCE Buffet at the Palms was one of the best buffets that opened last year. It's totally renovated, all new menu here at the Palms Casino. So now that it's a year later, let's see what there is to eat. So I am here for dinner on Sunday night. The dinner price is $24.99. That's the price every dinner night of the week. But if you have a player's card that's silver or gold, you can get that for just $17.99, which is one of the best deals in Las Vegas at a casino for a dinner buffet. Well, how can I not start at the meat? This is the Smoke and Fire Station, and look at all this meat. There is some nice looking barbecued pork ribs, hot links, and smoked beef brisket. Oh, and I see some fried chicken. That is my favorite. And chicken and sausage jambalaya looks pretty good too. Let's take a look down here and see what else there is to eat. Looks like some kind of made-to-order station. It's a pasta station. You can choose your pasta and your toppings. Red sauce, white sauce, cheese. Just about anything you want that they have here to choose from. And there's pizza and more pizza. Farro. Spicy mac and cheese and French onion soup. This says New England clam boil. Oh, there's elote off the cob. That's good stuff. Apple grilled pork chop, carne asada, and I think these are probably tortillas. Yes.
Tortillas.
All right.
Tortillas.
Thank you. They look good. And there are toppings for your tacos. Cauliflower, I guess if you're a vegetarian, and these squash, you can just have them carved as if it were meat. There's turkey and beef gravies, mashed potatoes. This is mahi Provençal, Korean short rib, and shepherd's pie. I've had that here before. It's really good. I mean, shepherd's pie is pretty much good everywhere. And here is sushi, which is not necessarily good everywhere. In fact, I tend to avoid it on buffets, but it looks pretty decent here. Still probably won't get it though. Oh, and check that out, salt and pepper chicken wings. I've had these before here, and they are really good. And the walnut shrimp. I mean, where do you see that on a buffet? Almost nowhere. But you see it here at the AYCE Buffet at the Palms. Some chili verde, egg rolls, black mussels with green curry. And here's some steamed rice, egg drop soup. Some kind of, so this is like the Mongolian barbecue station where they'll cook it up for you right back there. Or maybe right over there on that thing. Just make your bowl, pick your toppings, hand it to the cook, tell them what protein and sauce you want, and enjoy. That's what the sign says. There's one more station back here. This is called the Revival Station. This is supposed to be the healthy food, the vegetarian food. This is grilled tofu steak, a 5-bean vegetable chili, apples and root vegetables, rainbow hash, mushroom quesadilla, baba ganoush hummus, and vegetable sushi. Well, I probably won't be getting any of that, but I'm definitely going to be getting some of the meats, maybe even one of the made-to-order stir fries on the Mongolian barbecue here at the World Pan Station. And there is a salad bar area called the Greenery. So let's see what's over here. Wedge salads, And there are more salads. This is like a fake crab meat salad. I actually do like that. And general toppings for salads. I really don't do salads on the buffet. I mean, I'm here for two things, typically. The meat and the sweets. So speaking of sweets, let's go to the sweet and light station here and see what there is for dessert. Looks like soft serve, bread pudding, berry cobbler, and brownies. And there is ice cream. Quite a long line here for ice cream, though it must be good. And there are some little cakes. Nothing is really labeled, it just says assorted desserts. Although down here this is labeled sugar free. So if you are diabetic or watching your weight while you're at the buffet, you can have these sugar-free desserts. All right, well, let's make a plate and let's eat. All right, well, I had to get my favorite fried chicken and mashed potatoes and turkey and roast beef. I asked what kind of beef this is and she said roast beef. So I said, okay, I like roast beef. And I got shepherd's pie because I definitely like shepherd's pie. Look at that. That's some hot shepherd's pie. Alright, for my next plate I got beef brisket, the salt and pepper chicken wings, and French onion soup. I mean, what buffet has French onion soup? Oh, hot. Something about French onion soup that just makes me happy. I mean, that's real French onion soup. Tastes like it. Now, the last time I was here, these salt and pepper chicken wings got a little bit slippery. If you want to see how that went down, you can click the video right up there. Alright, let's try the brisket. That's like a strong smoky flavor. That's definitely barbecue. Alright, and now for this plate, I've got the crispy shrimp and walnuts, some snow pea pods, the elote corn, and I made my own carne asada taco. I mean, what buffet do you see crispy shrimp and walnuts on? This one. Alright, and it's dessert time. This is an assortment of desserts, including a chocolate-covered strawberry that's like purple. And that's carrot cake and bread pudding with some caramel sauce. Maybe this is some kind of, I don't know, cheesecake? And then this is, I don't know. But I know what this is, strawberry ice cream. It's like my second favorite ice cream after vanilla. I was just craving it. It's like coffee, coffee flavor. the ACE Buffet at the Palms is still as delicious as ever. This is some of the best tasting buffet food in Las Vegas, and it's actually one of the cheapest buffets. And that's a combination that really you can't go wrong. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the ACE Buffet at the Palms. And be sure to subscribe for more because there's always more to eat. It's all you can Vegas.